You're never going to see someone work as hard as I am at making you better. It ain't going to happen, folks. Everybody else is out there trying to figure out how they can monetize your attention because they need to make the money. They want to buy their Lamborghini. They want to be able to rent these villas. They want to be able to floss in front of you and say, look how great I am as a trader. And it's none of that shit coming from their profitable trades because they have no profitable trades. They have market replay marketing is what they have. And the things they say and the things that come out of their fucking mouth is nonsense. It edifies them through ego and pomp. It is not edifying you. It's not increasing your ability to manage yourself, which is essential. It's important to have those things. But in the beginning, you don't think that's necessary. You think it's all about, show me how to get into a trade. How can I put a very small stop loss on and not get stopped out? How can I do that every day? And you wonder why all these jokers that can sell mentorships learn this in 5 minutes, how to have 100% strike rate. That's bullshit. But suckers will buy into that all the time. Why? Because right now everything's painful. It's scary because things are so expensive. And it's going to be more expensive in 2025 and 2026 and 2027. No matter who gets in that office in the White House, we're going to have hard times. I'm not going to be immune to it. I'm going to spend more money than I'm used to spending, but the difference is I have more money to spend. You might not. You might see what happens here in the next 5 to 6 weeks, and it completely blows you out psychologically, and you can't focus because the stress is too high. And trading, you won't be able to focus on trading because you're worrying about external issues that are real tangible issues because you have a family to take care of. You have needs and ends to make meet. And you're going to tell yourself, I need. No, you don't. I have to. No, you don't. No, you don't. None of you have to trade ever. None of you need the next trade to be a winner. That's just you saying that. If you never found investing or trading, you wouldn't say things like that. But because you knew the opportunity is there and you see the influence of other people saying, look at my payout. Look at my payout. Look at my payout. They're doing that because they're signaling because they need attention. They need to remind themselves. It's like a pinch for them because they can't believe they just did that. They cannot believe they just pulled that off. And that's why they're sharing it online. Someone that is come to terms with themselves, they have confidence in themselves. They are not doing, here's how much money I made. Here's how much money. Look at me. Look over here. Hey, you over there. I know you don't even trade, but stop for a second. Look what the fuck I just did. Look at that, bro. Come at me.